Hi guys, good morning. I'd like to ask you something. I was thinking about the beautiful wallpapers I received in the past for ArcoLinux, right? And I enjoyed them, right? They were creative, there were things I couldn't do. And on the website, kiroproject.pe, I've put in here, down here somewhere, just Control F branding, right? Create a Kiro wallpaper, right? I still used the wallpapers during my last year of sabbatical, right? And I liked it. So grab the brand kit, the transparent Kiro logo, a high resolution, etc. You read it, you click it. Basically, you're gonna get a tar GZ. I've been testing it already, it's there. And then it's up to you, creativity, and maybe, right, as it says here, maybe when you love, share it in YouTube comment or Patreon or whatever. There are ways to give it to me, to get it to me, and then we'll create a package for it, and we can all use and benefit it. All right, cheers, have fun, let's be creative.